Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to thread another machine. It's basically the same as every other machine, but this particular machine is from 1973, I believe. It might be a 75. It's like early 70s. So, and after I clean it and everything like that, it's gonna be given to somebody in my area that's needing a sewing machine. So let's begin. Today I'm going to show you how to thread a Kenmore 158.17570, but this can apply to any of the old Kenmores. Sorry about all the stuff in the background. I've been sewing a lot. Well, after putting your thread on the spool pin, you're going to thread it into this of course I can't do it with one hand, but you're going to put it through, oh, sorry. You're going to put it through this one first, okay? Okay, just like this, all right? Then you're going to put it through this next pigtail right here. Let me see if I can get that to focus. Oh, sorry. Okay, so next you're going to put it through these tension discs. So you're going to go clockwise. And see how when you pull it up, it hooks onto this wire? You want that. That's what you want. Then you want to go around this next one. Okay? It's a thread guide. Okay, next we're going to put it through this hole right here. See if I can do that with one hand. There we go. And then pull it through. And when you pull through, you want to make sure you're still able to see the this wire go up and down when you're pulling. Next, you're going to put it through the other thread guide right here and pull through. Okay. Okay, next there's another thread guide right here. You're just going to pop it in there just like that. And then the next one is below. You're going to hook it onto that. Oops. Give me one moment. Okay, so it's going into this thread guide right there, just like that. And then the last thing is to thread it, and you're going to thread the needle. Oh, I think I forgot to tell you. Make sure you have your presser foot above, or up. And make sure when you're doing this that this is all the way up. I forgot to say that. But now we're going to put the thread in the needle. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. All right, let's see. I think I got it. Whoops, sorry, push my presser foot down. All right, so put it in there. And then, oh, sorry, my hand's in the way. And then you're going to pull it through like that. All right. And then you're going to, I already have my bobbin in. The bobbin's another thing, but I'm just showing you today how to do the thread part. Then you just put it to the back. both, both the thread and the bobbin thread. Okay. And this, I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but this, oh, I got some thread on the bottom. This one is a bottom loading machine. It's just that basic bobbin there. So I cleaned that out today. So this will be going to somebody for free. Someone in my community. So let's see what it does. All right, so I'm going to put my fabric there, press her foot down. So that's how you thread a Sears Kenmore machine. This machine is from, I believe, 1977. It might be 1976. But it's a 158.17570. If you have any questions, just put them in the description below. And thank you for watching.